Hello students, let us see this problem. If the pulley and the strings are shown are massless and the tension T2 is equal to 100 Newton, calculate the weight of the block. So this is the diagram. So we need to calculate the weight of this right side block. So we can draw the free body diagram. From the free body diagram, we can say that T is equal to W from this right side block. Okay, left side is already fixed there, and we can say that this mass is already given in the diagram, but it is not printed. Actually it is a 10 grams, so it will become 20, so it will become 200. Okay, so the force is nothing but 200 Newton. Then by the free body diagram of the system. Then now look at the free body diagram of the system. That means this pulley, all these things upside. You know that this pulley, this side is this tension T. So I already marked here upside tension is T. So automatically this side tension also will be T. So this string above the pulley will be 2T. So that is what I have shown here in this FBD diagram. So from this we can say that uh, this and from here also we can make components of the upper part also. So look at this. This force is T1 is acting upside here with 60 degree, and this one is T2 is acting right side with an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. So we will make this one into components. So it will become T1 cos 60 degree, and this one will become T2 cos 60 degree, and upside both the components will be combined. T1 sine 60 degree plus T2 sine 30 degree. So we can equate this one. So what else will be? These two are equal. So we can say that T1 cos 60 degree is equal to T2 cos 30 degree. So from this value, we will get a T1 is equal to root 3 T2. That is our second equation. From the vertical component, so from this vertical component also, we can get it. T1 sine 60 degree plus T2 sine 30 degree is equal to 2T. So this 2T I have shown here. Okay. Then we can, after substituting the values, we will get a root 3 T1 plus T2 is equal to 4T. So I multiplied throughout the 2. So from 2, then we can say that 2 is already we have T1 is equal to root 3 T2. So instead of this T1, I will write a root 3 T2 here. Okay, so it will be root 3 into root 3, 3 T2 plus T2 is equal to 4T. So we will get a T2 is equal to T. So already we can have, or T is equal to 100 Newton. Okay, here a small correction is there. Actually, F is equal to 100 Newton. 10 is given as the weight, not 20. So we can say that this force is nothing but our tension. So we will get T is equal to 100 Newton itself. So